Hey, I am going to film the unboxing of my new M-Audio AV40s, which I got off of whoop.com for a pretty good price, which I'm very, very excited about. So, open up the top, and come to the user guide, and I guess Overdub Volume 1, and then of course, the styrofoam, got all the styrofoam. And the speakers, I'm so excited. Another speaker. All the reviews I've read about these say they are the best 2.0, which basically means speakers without a sub. There's little patty things, I have no idea what those are, but you know what? They seem high quality, so I might keep those. But yeah, they're supposed to be the best 2.0 speakers on the market right now. So let me just take this wrapping off. Let me just put this camera down. There we go. That is a beautiful, beautiful speaker. That just looks sexy. It just looks awesome. Alright, it's supposed to be the left one, but I'd like it to be the right one. I don't think that's a possibility there. And here's the right speaker. As you can see, they are beautifully awesome, beautifully large, and apparently give out some very, very good sound. Studio quality sound. So, and then of course I have my jack for the PC, power jack, and that's it. Alright, hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the M-Audio AV40s.